Good evening. My name is Marcus Bonner for Business Statistics class. And for this video presentation, I'm going to be describing homework number 13. So the problem is that Shorty Mufflers advertises it can install new mufflers in 30 minutes or less. A study conducted found that 20% of the mufflers were not installed in 30 minutes or less. And then the Mummy branch installed 50 mufflers last month. Is the corporate report, if the corporate report is correct, how many of the installations at the Mummy branch would you expect to take more than 30 minutes? So, looking at the problem, I concluded that this was a binomial distribution, meaning that either they will be installed or they won't be installed. And so when I answered the first question, I knew that the expected value of what they're asking for the first question is equal to the mean of the binomial distribution of the problem. So once I found the mean, then that answer will be the same as what the expected value is. So the first question was, how many installations at the Mummy branch would you expect to take more than 30 minutes? So how many would I expect to take more than 30 minutes? All I did was simply multiply the number of mufflers that were installed and the probability. So 50 times 0.2, I got 10. So I would expect to take more than 10. How many installations? I expect 10 installations to be installed. Now for the next problems, for the next problems, I went to the binomial distribution chart for N50. So since there are 50 number of mufflers being installed with the probability of 0.2, I just used the chart to answer the Lex questions. And I just followed the chart down from right here on down for the questions. So it says, what is the likelihood that fewer than 8 installations took more than 30 minutes? So the likelihood that fewer than 8, so fewer than 8, that means from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All I did was found the probability from 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 0 and 1 are both 0. And I added them up, and that probability was 0.375, so about 38%. What is the likelihood that 8 or fewer installations took more than 30 minutes? So all I did was, they said that now they wanted to include the 8 and fewer. So I just added 0.375 plus 0.307. Then I got 0.682. And then the last question, what's the likelihood that exactly 8 took more than 30 minutes? So the likelihood that exactly 8, went over to the chart, 0.307 or 31%. So in conclusion, we talked about the problem, broke it down, realized that it was a binomial distribution, could easily go to the chart. In the book, it only goes up to 20, so I had to go online to find the binomial distribution chart that went up to 50. And then from there, I just was able to plug in the answers from the chart. This concludes my video presentation. Thank you and have a great day.